Does it suit me? This is a 1961 Triumph TR6, and this bike was favoured by none other than Steve McQueen. I know. So they were meant for the American market, classed as I think it was some desert sled, I think they called it, because it was actually used in a lot of off-road desert races in California, I believe. So it's got some racing heritage, classic British styling, and it's got a 650 engine, so it's got some poke in it as well. So what I am going to do is take you through the walk-around video and go through all the ins and outs of the bike, but I just wanted to get a bit of a feel for this thing because it looks gorgeous and the seat is really, really comfortable. And it's got quite a nice upright riding position too. You can just imagine like trundling along the country lanes or even doing what the Americans did and go tearing around the desert. So yeah, a Steve McQueen favourite, this one. That's quite something, isn't it? Beautiful, absolutely beautiful bike. It's lovely. Classed as one of the most iconic British motorcycles of the early 1960s, this bike is one not to be missed. Sporting a 650cc parallel twin engine, it was dubbed as a sporty version of the Bonneville. This bike has only 2 owners from new and was refurbished in 2020. As you can see, it's in very nice condition. Come and see it at Frank's Motorcycles in Colchester or visit our website at www.franksmotorcycles.co.uk.